Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to fix High on Life 2 game crashing, crashes as startup, not launching or won't launch issue, freezing problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen, black screen issue or stuck on black screen problem on Xbox console. So here follow the fixes. The first solution is to make sure your Xbox is up to date. So go to Xbox settings, click on system and then click on updates and make sure it is up to date. If it is not, then update it and then check. Solution 2 is to clear the High on Life 2 cache files. So press the Xbox kite button, click on My Games and Apps and then click on See All. Look for High on Life 2 game and then highlight it and then press the menu and then select Manage Game and Add-ons. Then click on Save Data and then click on Reserve Space and then click on Clear Reserve Space. You will see that profile is deleted automatically. If not, then delete the profile and make sure you click Delete from console when deleting it and then you can launch the game and check. Solution 3 is to clear persistent storage. So go to Xbox settings, go to Devices and Connections, Blu-ray and then click on Persistent Storage and then click on Clear Persistent Storage. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now if you don't see these features in your Xbox console, then skip these solutions. Solution 4 is to clear alternate MAC address. So go to Xbox settings, go to General Network Settings, navigate to Advanced Settings, alternate MAC address and then click on Clear and then restart your console. And once your console restart, go ahead, launch the High on Life 2 game and check if the problem is solved or not. Solution 5 is to remove and re-add accounts. So go to Xbox settings, go to account, remove accounts. Select the account in which you are having the issue and then re-add your account. And after adding your account, launch the High on Life 2 game and see if your problem is solved or not. Solution 6 is to run High on Life 2 game from the store instead of running the game from the Xbox home. So to do this, type High on Life 2 in the search bar and then click on it. Then click on Launch Game and see if it helps or not. Solution 7 is to switch network connections. So if you're using a wireless connection, then try using an Ethernet cable to access internet and then check. If you're using a Wi-Fi, then try connect it to mobile hotspot and then check. If possible, then you can also try to connect to different Wi-Fi network or mobile hotspot and then check. Solution 8 is to manually select port. So go to Xbox settings, in General tab, select Network Settings, Test Network Connection, Advanced Settings. Select alternate port selection, then click on manual, click on select port and choose a port that starts with 4 or 5, continue. Then restart your console and check if the problem is fixed or not. If not, then select the port one by one and check which one works for you. Solution 9 is to change DNS server. So go to your Xbox settings, in the General tab, select Network Settings, Advanced Settings, go to DNS Settings Manual. And in the primary DNS enter 8.8.8.8 and in secondary DNS enter 8.8.4.4 and then save it. Then launch the game and check. Now if that doesn't work, then repeat the process and this time in the primary DNS enter 1.1.1.1 and in secondary DNS enter 1.0.0.1 and then save it and then relaunch the game and check. Solution 10 is to reinstall High on Life 2. So if nothing seems to work, then uninstall High on Life 2 game from Xbox, then fresh reinstall it and then launch the game and check if it fixes your issue or not. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve High on Life 2 game crashes as a startup, not launching or won't launch or launching failed problem, freezing issue, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, black screen issue or stuck on black screen problem on Xbox consoles. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.